Hello, my name is Nikiya McWilliams. I am the coordinator of clubs and organizations and leadership programs here at California State University, Northridge. In the VUCA Workshop series, I discuss the use of a tool called a journey map. In this quick demo, I want to show you how it can be used to assist you in continuing to engage those you serve through your student organization. Remember, as our society learns to work on a more global stage, it is important for leaders to gain the skills and learn the techniques needed to manage remote and diverse teams. And because organizations, no matter how big or small, go through rapid change, it is critical for you to develop yourself now as an agile leader who can guide your organization through any change or VUCA environment. We recommend using the journey map process to better understand the experiences those you serve have with your organization. This journey asks the organization to step into the shoes of those they serve so they can understand what they are doing well and what changes need to be made to improve on that experience. Whenever there is a major change in the way you function as an organization, it is helpful to conduct a journey map from the perspective of those you serve so that any pain points can be identified. Here is a journey map template that we hope you will find useful to use while meeting with your team in a virtual platform like Zoom. Once you share your screen with the participating team members, everyone will see the form. I have included instructions here to the right. You can remove these instructions and list the pain points that will be resolved once you've completed your journey. The first step to this journey is having each participating team member write a list of characteristics that best describe a person your student organization serves. Diversity of thought will be very helpful to your team here. Because your organization serves very diverse people, include their name, gender pronoun, college major, if they live on campus or not, whether they commute from long distances, do they work full-time or part-time, do they have kids or family that they take care of, are they attending school in the evening or in the daytime, are they first-time freshmen or transfer students, what is their age? Once each member creates this description, have them list the person's motivation for engaging with your student organization. Once this part of the activity is complete, have each team member read their description and motivation to the group. For example, this is Tatiana. She is a single mother with one child. Tatiana lives in on-campus family housing. She is hearing impaired and in her junior year here at CSUN. Tatiana takes mostly evening classes because she works part-time during the day. Tatiana's motivation for engaging with our organization is fill in the rest. Once the team has their description complete, they are now going to walk through the remainder of this journey from the perspective of the person they just described. You will ask your team member to identify what the most likely touch point will be between your organization and this person in this new environment. This can be from how they would gain information about your organization up through the actual engagement with someone from your organization. For example, maybe before the recent change, a touch point would have been an on-campus meeting flyer or a tabling event. Name what touch points will be in this new environment. For example, housing bulletin boards, social media, your webpage, Matasync, etc. Think outside the box. Give each team member time to write down what will be their touch point with your organization from their person's perspective. Now, have everyone name off the touch points. List each touch point at the top of this form. You may add columns or delete columns. Keep in mind the motivation that this person has when they decided to explore your service and arrive at each touch point? What action will take place at each touch point? What will be their experience versus their expectation? What feeling does this action elicit in each description of those you serve? Give it a happy face if you feel the person you serve gets what they expected from the action that takes place at this touch point and the experience is a good one. A neutral face can be used if they kind of got what they expected, or the experience is not a good one, a happy one, but not a sad one either. And give it a sad face or unhappy face if the action elicits an unhappy experience because the action required is uncomfortable, confusing, difficult, or just doesn't meet the person's expectations from their perspective. And finally, review the touch points that did not elicit happy faces or happy feelings. We want to call these pain points. And discuss what you think needs to take place or be done to make it a happy experience or meet the expectations of those you serve at this touch point. How can you change this from being a pain point from each perspective? I hope you found this helpful. Please enjoy your journey mapping experience. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, Nikiya McWilliams, at Nikiya, Nikiya, .McWilliams, McWilliams, @csun.edu. Thank you.